What you do with your life? Get your education, boy.
Alright everyone, thank you very much for joining me once again. Welcome back to A's Online Virtual Classroom. This is your boy Andre. I'm bringing you your Mathematics Monday tip of the day, where we provide you with some of the best tips and tricks that we could find out there in mathematics and bring it and present it to you to help you prepare for your upcoming exams. Because we here at A's Online Tutoring Services is on a mission to help raise the passing rates at the SCA and CXE level. So if you haven't done it as yet, make sure and hit that subscribe button. And by the time this video is done, I'm sure you'll share this video to all your friends to make sure that everybody is as prepared as they can be for all upcoming exams. So today, I'm going to take us to a very interesting tip that could help us out. And we're just going to go to the whiteboard here now to deal with our okay, so let's get our tip up. And today we'll be looking at multiplying two-digit numbers by 11. So there's a very interesting tip that we could work here. So think up of any two-digit number. I'll give you a minute. Alright, so I'm hearing 42. Okay, so 42, we want to multiply that by 11, right? So what we will do is, the process is this: you split the number 4, 2, and then you take the number 42 and you add it. 4 plus 2 equals 6. You take that 6 and you drop it in the middle there. So you could make sure you could pull out your calculators, double check me, see if I'm doing correct. I'm sure you'll get 462 on your calculator. Let's look at another one. So let's say, come, somebody give me another number. Anybody? Think a little louder. I can't hear you. Let's do, okay, I'm hearing 27 multiplied by 11. So we're going to do the same thing there. We're going to separate the numbers 2 and 7, and then we're going to add the numbers 2 plus 7. That equals to 9. Alright, and you just put the 9 in the middle here. 297. Alright, so this works for any two-digit number, even for the ones like this. Let's say we have 74 multiplied by 11, right? So we're going to do the same thing. We're separating the numbers, yeah, and then we're doing 7 plus 4. Now 7 plus 4 is actually 11. So this is what you will do. You're taking the 11 and you're dropping it in like this. So the 1 on top of the 7, you will add it, and the 7 will become 8, and you'll get 814. Alright, so you can check it on the calculator, make sure I'm setting it up. Let's look at one more. So if we have a number like, I don't know, 85 multiplied by 11, we're going to separate the numbers 8 and 5, and when we add 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5 is 13, yeah? So we're going to drop in the 13 here, and we'll add the 1 to the 8, and we'll get 935. So you can double check me on your calculators, make sure I got all correct. You can check it back on both times. You can take some time, practice it yourself, make up questions. Any question you could think of, any two-digit number by 11, this will work for. So I really want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure and share it with all your friends so that everybody could be as prepared as they can be for upcoming exams. So subscribe to A's Online. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week for next Monday mathematics tip of the day. Alright, see you later.
What you do with your life? Get your education, boy. Subscribe to A's Online. Click. We got tutors, they go live. When you're home, you're safe and sound. Subscribe. Just log on, study now. Subscribe to A's Online. Tutors, they go live. When you're home, you're safe and sound. Log on, study now.
Subscribe to A's Online. Tutors, they go live. You can log in from your house. I say log in with your mouse.
Log on, study now.
Subscribe to A's Online.
Yeah.
Tutors, they go live. You can log in from your house. I say log in with your mouse.